Can you get a green card if you have an asylum case pending? Well, that's a really important question. A lot of people are going through right now. There's a lot of things you have to go through, and we'll start with this. Did you enter the U.S. lawfully? That's going to be a big factor whether you get the marriage green card. Also, are you married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder? If you're married to a green card holder and you have periods of being without status, that could prevent you from getting a green card. A very important one is, did you get called to court? Did you miss a court date? Because if you did, you may have a removal deportation order. A lot of times I see with people who file for asylum, they don't update their address, and so they never get notices to appear for interviews. And if they miss the interview, their case gets denied, and they go to court and they get removal orders for getting kicked out. And that could be a big hurdle for getting a green card. There's a lot of stuff like this. Did you be honest in your asylum application? Is there any things that fraud they didn't get? If you got a visa, were you honest in the visa application? So there's a lot of these factors that come into play, and like 5 or 6 more. I have a longer YouTube video I did with top 8 factors about this, but don't just file a case. There was a recent news report where a guy filed a case for his wife was before international in the situation. She had got a court date which she missed, and she had a deportation order. She didn't know because they filed the case on their own. Went to the interview, and ICE was there to pick him up. And more right now, historically, if you had a case pending, either asylum or marriage green card, ICE wouldn't come and pick you up. But that's changing right now, so you got to be aware. There's a lot of risk involved. Really plan to step out and talk with a couple of different lawyers to see who has the best track record, who explains everything well, who's transparent, and all that kind of stuff to make sure you have the safest possible route. Unfortunately, nothing's safe right now.